Okay, guys. So let's co-create this success criteria. I took one example of a question out of the StAAR test of another year. So I want you to help me to know how to solve this problem. But before we do that, who can remind me what is it that we're learning today? What are we learning today?
Miss Viana.
Tell me what are we learning today?
Learning to convert measurements.
We are learning to convert measurements. Thank you. What measure are we learning? Tell me. Length, which means we need to know the distance, right?
Yep.
All right. So now, who wants to come over here and tell me how to do this word problem?
Me.
Ivan, come over here and do it. You want to do it? You do it? All right. So let's see what, I'm going to leave you alone and you're going to, I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions as you go.
So the first thing I'm going to do is first thing is circle.
Remember that you need to write your success criteria. What is the first thing you do? You can what? Analyze what?
The question.
Ah, okay. So you analyze the question with a what? You analyze the question. All right. Guys, when we analyze the question, what do we have to find? What are they asking us? Perfect. So you analyze the question, and what do you find out?
They're asking us to convert.
To convert, okay. So please put it in here that that's what you analyze, conversion. They're not talking about fractions, right? They're not talking about addition, multiplication. They're talking about how to convert. And when we have to convert something, please read again the question.
Okay.
Read again the question.
Okay. The table shows different numbers of feet and the equivalent numbers of yards. Joey walked 333 feet. How many yards did he walk now? So it's asking us to convert feet into yards.
Okay, all right. So how do you do that? Why do we have the table in here? What do you think they give it to us for?
So we can know that 5 yards is equivalent to 15 feet.
Which means that what?
That
When you are transferring from yards to feet, what operation do you do?
divide or multiply.
Which one? What do you do to make 5 to become 15?
Multiply it by 3.
Okay, so when we are going this way, you multiply by 3. But is that what we have right now? What are you doing?
Converting the feet into yards.
Ah, okay, so you're going the other way around. What do you think you have to do? Okay, from feet to yard. Thank you. So what do you do? If you multiply this way, what do you do the other way?
This way is divide.
Okay, so put it in here. You're going to divide by 3. Perfect. Okay, so how many feet do you have?
Feet. We have 330 feet.
Okay, write it down.
333.
Okay, we need to find out the yards. Perfect. What is the second step on your criteria? What are you going to use? You already analyzed the table, but what else can you do? What is your strategy?
I'm going to divide.
You're going to use a strategy. And then you tell me what strategy is that. So I can use a strategy. What is your strategy? What else can you use when we have a conversion? What else can we use?
Oh, let's see. I have an idea.
What?
So 15 divided by 3 is 0, 15.
No.
Wait.
Páralo, páralo ahí.